KSmash and welcome to a video. Today we're just gonna make it a little short one. What we are gonna do is that we are going to saw or cut open this ginormous jawbreaker. We're just gonna do that real quick, and then you guys get to see what's inside a ginormous jawbreaker. So I'm opening the pack. It's all fruit flavor, so this is the giant saw we're going to be using.
Should we turn it on?
Yep.
Okay.
Turn it on. My dad's going to saw it open. Okay, are you guys ready? 3. Well, I'm not gonna look first. You guys get to look first. Ready? Is that cool?
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa!
Looks like a planet.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Lick one side and see, because the colors will look better.
Whoa, look at it.
Now put them side by side. Whoa.
See? That looks pretty cool.
Very cool.
And if you guys like stuff that gets cut open and you like you like looking what's inside those cool things, you should check out this kid named Lincoln and a What's Inside channel. So you guys should check him out. He's pretty cool. You guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you all later. Bye.